But in my opinion, I think that Shaggy mainly. See, because I see all video with Screechy and Shaggy as a young youth on stage. See, I bust up the place and all them thing there. See, where the Shaggy a DJ, and not even Shaggy sang Shaggy DJ, a Red Fox sang the hit song. We pose off. I eat Shaggy car, Red Fox never did it. See, I eat Shaggy jar. See, so pose off, you know, your pum pum shots car, them have the same voice. So Shaggy sing Red Fox song on stage. You see me I say them time there. Because Shaggy does upcoming and them time there still and them wait to, you know. As I say, Screechy Dan was the more man where I set the pace. Alright? So I think right now in this time that Shaggy turned out to be the most successful artist. I think Shaggy needs to give back Screechy a strength. Seeing for the history where the man them come from youth days and the work where them put in.